Latest market update as tensions escalate in the Middle East, with Iran firing missiles at Israel, sending crude oil prices above $70 per barrel. We'll also cover how Chinese markets are surging and the impact on global sentiment. Stay tuned for key Nifty and Bank Nifty trends and the buzzing stocks to watch today. The biggest news driving sentiments this Thursday. Iran's strikes on Israel indicating the conflict in the Middle East is rising. United Nations Secretary-General Antonio Guterres put it, Iran fired at least 180 ballistic missiles at Israel on October 1, 2024, amplifying tensions in the Middle East that are increasingly marked by escalation after escalation. Amidst this backdrop, crude oil futures rose above $70 per barrel driven by fears of a broader war in the Middle East. Also, the investors could turn to Chinese stock markets which have zoomed higher to enter the bull market on attractive valuations. In yesterday's trade, Hang Seng soared 1,310 points or 6.2% to finish at 22,444, notching their highest level since early February 2023. Global cues are negative. In Tuesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 5579 crores while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 4610 crores. Sentiments shall waver in today's trade and look risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight overbought technical conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 to 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 11.98 levels. Nifty PCR, 31st October, is at 1.12 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th October, is at 0.93. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to trade with negative bias. Nifty, CMP to 5797. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 25,351 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 26,051 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,600 and 5950. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 52923. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 52,401 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,549 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,400 and 53300. Bias for the day is negative. In a lackluster Tuesday's trade, Nifty and Sensex struggled for direction. The big question, does the sudden volatility necessarily mean the sky is about to fall? Well, the near-term direction will depend much on the biggest event, the US non-farm payrolls data to be wired on Friday, 4th October. Buzzing stocks. 1. Dr. Reddy's, Hetero sign voluntary licenses with Gilead for HIV drug. 2. The Board of Directors of Godrej Properties have approved a fundraise of 6,000 crore rupees. 3. Polycab India hit a record high of 7,353 rupees per share as they rallied 5.52% on positive outlook.